What's up, everybody? We're going to do an install of the MKAH Motorsport's door card. I'm going to do the driver's side door and share just a couple of tips with you that I ran into on the passenger side door. I did that one first. I'll show you now. So part of the procedure here is we need to get the original door handle pushed out so we can have clearance over the window motor. So basically they give you 1/2 inch shims or spacers. That works well with the existing door handle bolt. Now you're required to drill in right about the middle of the door handle and put the same thing, 1/2 inch spacer. However, you're going to need some additional spacers. I got a 1/2 inch and added a 1/4 inch in there. You can pick these up at Lowe's or in the hardware aisle. Easy to come by. They're like 50 cents. I bought a couple different sizes, so I had spares. But really that's all you're going to need. And you need to get some cobalt drill bits. So cobalt steel is the best for drilling into metal on metal bits. So we're going to use the 3/32 size bit to drill through the plastic of the door handle, and then we're going to use the 7/64 for everything else. And if you have ones that get really pinched and really tight, just use the 1/8 drill bit. So I'll get started here. We'll get the door handle pushed out, and then we'll start tapping on the door card. And you can see here they already have pre-tapped holes. So once you get it resting on the door itself, it's pretty easy to go around and tap the holes and then just screw it down. So another thing too is we have to roll the window all the way down and make sure we get that lip hooked up right here on the weather stripping and get it sealed in there tight. Also, it comes with the straps. I believe they come with the red. I got the tri-colored one. But so those ones fit perfectly right here where this tab is. So just pop this tab off and you can drill the holes on either side of the existing hole here. It lines up perfect. So I'll get started and I'll show you progress as we go along. All right, so the door handle is on. We have the, well, I can't really see it. Bring it up. We have the screw tapped in there. We also have the spacers on. So adding the 1/4 inch spacer brings it to level. So that's the most important thing. And also one thing to note, where the door handle slides on to this bracket here, I'll move my light up so you can see it. You need to bend this out a little bit more on this curve here with a pair of pliers. And then you have to bend this tip down a little bit in order to get this back on. Otherwise this thing won't fit and won't have enough clearance. You just have to bend it and then it'll still work fine. So the next thing we're going to do is we're going to roll down the window. We're going to fit on the door card and make sure that this is still a good alignment point for the pull straps. Once we have that, we'll do the pull straps and then we'll set the door card on and we'll just start tapping screws and fully install it.
Okay, we got the door card fully installed. Everything went in without a hitch. You could see that all the screws are in the pre-drilled locations. So we tapped all the holes. Everything fit really nicely. You could see here the door handle fits very nice with the 1/4 inch spacers that we used. The door pulls fit nice in the location I suggested. Everything worked out great, guys. Thanks for watching. See you next time.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe.